Hello cooking friends, in today's video I will be showing you how to make this deliciously moist cornbread. I've placed the recipe in the description box below, so feel free to check that out, hit a like and subscribe. So first up, we're going to prep the pan. I'm using here a springform pan, and I'm gonna prep it by spraying it with some palm oil spray. Now I need to set up my trivet to place it in the instant pot because my cake pan will be resting on this, and then the water will be underneath it. Placing it in my instant pot, and now I'm going to add my water. Now it's time for the mixing. First, I'm going to crack my eggs, and I'm going to add my eggs. Then I'll be taking my whisk and I'll be mixing the eggs until they're nice and light and fluffy. Next up, I'll be adding the milk. And then I'll be mixing that a bit. And then it's time to add the oil. Now it's time for the flour. Mix that in. And now that I'm on my dry ingredients, I can add all the spices I'd like. So you can go ahead and add your cinnamon, add your nutmeg, add some vanilla if you want to have a lot of soul and a lot of flavor. Now for the cornmeal. Time for the sugar. Then stir again. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share with your friends and family so they can bake cornbread over the holidays, or if you want to keep this as your little secret to impress, I can't be mad at that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.